Hey guys, got a 2022 plate BMW 118 here. So going to show you how to check the oil maintenance life on this one. So on this one, we're going to come to the screen in the centre of the dash. I'm going to use these controls here in the centre console. Now from here, scroll down to car, then click in the dial, then go to vehicle status. Then service requirements, and then from here it's going to tell you when you next need your check. So engine oil on this one will be in 8,000 miles or 9th 2026, and you have other things there like brake pads as well, brake fluid, and that's it.